Fire can be very dangerous. Not only can it destroy property, but it can take lives. Statistics from reliable sources reveal that inhalation of smoke, gases, and vapors is responsible for most fire deaths. The potential for fire in the workplace is not something to take lightly. The workplace can be a very vulnerable environment considering the number of people usually present in the building. With proper fire safety training and set procedures put in place, the overall safety of the entire building can be much greater. With proper training, employees will be able to not only help to eradicate fires and keep them from spreading, but also help to prevent the fires from occurring in the first place. To keep your business as safe as possible, it's necessary to conduct training in fire safety for your staff. It is mandatory by the law that every business entity must have trained staff to manage in the event of fire. Fire safety training is an important part of safety training that can help to avoid injuries or even fatalities in the workplace. When staff are aware of fire control strategies, they can also control any fires that may break out. Immaculate Training Services offers various fire safety training programs as per the guidelines of the General Directorate of Civil Defense in Dubai.